Corridors of Justice, the state now seeks to detain controversial pastor Paul Mackenzie for 60 more days over links to a cult that has claimed more than 240 lives in Shakahola Forest, Kilifi County. The leader of the Good News International Church was arraigned at Shanzu law courts on Friday alongside 17 other suspects after more than a month in police custody. The prosecution told the court that the police were yet to conclude investigations and they need more time to do so.
It is my further view that the state, having applied for a period of 90 days and only 30 days having been granted, there was no need for filing a fresh application for extension. In the instant case, the initial application has not been spent, and as such, there is no need for the state to file an application, for lack of a better word, on top of another application. It has been agreed that there are no specific rules of procedure that provide for the form of such an application. That being the case, it will not be in order for the respondents to demand that the application for extension should take a certain form. I agree with the state that the application for extension of time need only be in writing and clear as to its intention. The respondents have not alleged that they are under an illusion as to what the state is seeking. They have not demonstrated that any prejudice that they are likely to suffer if the state is allowed to proceed in the manner that it has proposed. As for the report pursuant to paragraph H of the orders made on 10th May 2023, this court did not prescribe any form in which the report ought to have been filed. In any event, that is an issue that can be canvassed during the hearing of the application by the state and not as a preliminary point to be determined at the threshold. The upshot of the above considerations is that the objection by the respondents is devoid of merit. The same is hereby dismissed. The respondents have submitted that they will need time to respond to the application. There is no objection from the state. Having been served with the documents today, it is only fair that the respondents be given time to respond. I will proceed to grant them time as they will propose. Since the respondents have been in custody and there is an application for extension of their continued detention, I find it illogical to order for their release pending the filing of their responses to the application. For avoidance of doubt, the respondents shall remain in custody pending the filing of their responses.
To our top story, and yet a clear indication